Most cars don't stop working because they are old. They stop working because they are not maintained properly. If you want your car to last for many years without constant breakdowns, this video is for you. Today I will explain the basic car maintenance habits that help your car stay strong for the long term. Engine oil is the most important fluid in your car. It keeps the engine parts moving smoothly and prevents damage from friction and heat. Driving with old or dirty oil slowly destroys your engine. You should change your engine oil every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers depending on the type of oil and how you drive. Always change the oil filter at the same time. A simple rule to remember is this: clean oil means a healthy engine. Your engine produces heat and the cooling system controls the heat. Always check your coolant level in the coolant reservoir. If coolant is low, the engine can overheat, and overheating causes very expensive damage. Never ignore a temperature warning on your dashboard, and never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Coolant should be flushed and replaced every 2 to 3 years. Once an engine overheats badly, it may never run the same again. Your tires affect fuel usage, braking, and comfort. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. Under-inflated tires waste fuel and wear out faster. Rotate your tires every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers so they wear evenly. If your steering pulls to one side or your tires wear unevenly, check your wheel alignment. Good tires protect your suspension and save you money in the long run. Your brakes are not something to ignore. If you hear squeaking, grinding, or feel vibrations when braking, get them checked immediately. Brake pads should be replaced early, not when they are completely finished. Also remember that brake fluid should be changed every 2 to 3 years. Ignoring brake problems today can become a serious safety risk tomorrow. Your battery powers your car's electrical system and helps start the engine. If your car struggles to start, the battery is often the first problem. Check battery terminals and keep them clean from corrosion. Most batteries last between 2 to 4 years. A weak battery can also damage your alternator over time. Many people forget these simple checks, but they matter a lot. Regularly check your air filter and replace it when dirty. Check spark plugs if your car uses petrol. Check transmission, power steering, and windshield washer fluids. These small habits prevent big repair bills later. How you drive also determines how long your car lasts. Avoid hard acceleration when the engine is cold. Let it warm up for about 30 to 60 seconds. Do not overload your car and never ignore dashboard warning lights. Treat your car well and it will serve you well for many years. Maintaining your car is always cheaper than repairing it. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who owns a car, and subscribe for more simple car tips. Comment below what car you drive, and I will share basic maintenance advice for your model.